Welcome to the chapter Division of one number by another number. This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to define division as equal distribution of objects. Use pictures of objects to understand division by performing distribution. Write division statements by using the division symbol. Hello children, here we can see the division of one number by another. Children, we have to distribute 6 apples equally among 3 children. For dividing these 6 apples, distribute them equally among the children. Here, each child gets 2 apples when we distribute 6 apples to 3 children. Mathematically, it means each child got 2 apples after dividing 6 apples by 3. We use the symbol for division as shown on the screen. Similarly, we can arrange the 12 pencils into 4 groups wherein each group has 3 pencils. When 12 is divided by 4, we get 3 in each set. It can be expressed as shown on the screen. Let us do an activity on distribute equally. Look at the pictures given below and count them. Distribute them equally and write the division form in the blank boxes. Let us take simple exercise problems to understand the concept of division. Click on Solution for your reference. Dear children, now we will study how to subtract to divide equally. Let us take an example for better understanding. Suppose we have to distribute 12 books into equal groups of 4. We will continue to subtract 4 books till all the books are distributed. Let us see how the subtraction goes. First, we will distribute 4 books. We will be left with 8 books. Second time, we distribute again 4 books and now we are left with 4 books. For the third time, we distribute the remaining books and this time we are left with 0 books. Let us take an example on subtract to divide equally. Raju brought 20 dice for his friends. If he gives 5 dice to each friend, how many groups are formed? Let us see in how many groups the dice are distributed. First friend, 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. Second friend, 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Third friend, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Fourth friend, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So, 4 groups are formed. This is written as 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Let us take an example on divide equally. For example, if 3 students can sit on a bench, how many benches are needed for 27 students to sit on? Here, students who can sit on each bench is equal to 3. The number of students is equal to 27. It is very easy. We can get answer by dividing the number of students by the students who can sit on each bench. Therefore, 9 benches are needed for 27 students to sit on. Let us do an activity on divide equal. Shiva has 48 chocolates. He distributed them to 8 friends equally. How many did each friend get? Write the correct answers in the boxes. Let us do a simple activity on division. Match the appropriate answers for the divisions given below. Let us take simple exercise problems to understand the concept of division. Click on Solution for your reference. Practice zone. Try to solve the problems in the practice zone on your own. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. It is the result of fair sharing. The division symbol is as shown. Follow-up work. 4 members can sit in one car. How many cars are needed for 36 people to sit in? Distribute 32 rings among 4 people equally by using subtract to divide equally method. Distribute 18 cakes equally among 2 persons. How many cakes does each one get? Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter Division of one number by another number.